So I wanna make sure it's the best time ever. I just wanna live it up. I just wanna live it up. I affirm it in the mirror every time I wake up.
What up, what up, what up? Welcome to Fast Farm, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Jim Finch, and today we are installing spacers on the 850, and I'll show you why. Woo! You see how far in that sits? Yep, we need to fix that. All right, let's go. All right, so check it out. We went with the KSP Performance wheel spacers for the M850i. Got them on Amazon. Check them out, they weren't bad. I want to say for the pair was like just over $100. Let's get to work. So check this out, right? The first time I ordered them, I forgot the extended lug nuts, I ain't even gonna lie. But really important, you need extended lug nuts if you're going to put spacers on your car. Otherwise it's just not going to work out. You don't want to lose a wheel, right? Neither do I. Let's go. All right, also check this out. So my car is really low. I put the AC Schnitzer springs on it, dropped it about a ½ inch or so we don't have a lot of clearance. So another very important must know, you can't just use a regular floor jack, you need a racing jack. So again, went on Amazon, picked up this bad boy.
All right, now I want to give you a full view of what it looks like before we get these spacers installed. I don't know how well you can see how much it sits in at the top of the wheel well there. Ooh, she is sitting pretty. And then when we're done, we'll do a walkthrough so I can show you what a big difference this makes. Well, for me at least.
All right, let's get her jacked up. And ladies and gentlemen, start with the basics. While the wheel's on and down, break those nuts loose. All right, now we got the wheel off. Time for the spacer. You ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom. Done. And like I said before, do not forget the extended lug nuts. You need them. Make sure these are lined up so your lugs slide in properly. The smaller hole. Bigger ones, not as important. And let me just show you the difference in the lug nut sizes here. The new ones, old one. See the difference? That's why I said it's so important. You don't want that wheel falling off. All right, ready for number 2. Wheel off. fits right on there, perfect. Line your lug nut holes up, and you are good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 40 minutes later, here we are. We got spacers. Oh, what a huge difference. It sits flush now. Oh, she is sitting pretty. Yeah, buddy. Check the green side. Nice. Still sits in a hair, but I'm okay with that. This looks a million times better. Yup. Hey, thanks for watching Fast Farm, guys. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned.
Man, we're here for a long time, just a little time, so I wanna make sure it's the best time ever. I just wanna live it up, I just wanna live it up.